Hello, this is Jason, and I just booked a month at this Kien's Ocean Hotel, just based off reviews that I read on Google. And it's in the An Thuong area, which is like the tourist area. It's very walkable. Even though I do have a electric scooter, it is nice to be able to walk to places. And let's check it out. This is remodeled, so the grand opening was 5 months ago, so everything's kind of polished up and new. Hello. Can I check in now?
Okay, must see your passport.
Kien's Ocean Hotel. These ears. This couch and tables. And I'm getting this for $19 a night with tax. It's like about 21. And hopefully my room's nice. And look at this little shrine. Bunch of money there too. All right, here we go. I'm on the 5th floor. And pretty nice elevator. It looks like there's 9 floors total. I'm right here. All right. Here it is. It smells good in here. You got 2 beds put together to make one super bed. No smoking, no durian. Very nicely finished. Everything's like new. TV is on the smaller side, but it's new. Looks like a smart TV. So that's good. And then got a little mini bar. But you gotta pay for the stuff. You do get waters for free, I guess, the Aquafina. Bathroom. Separate divider anyway. Not a whole complete stall, but separate divider. Toilets, the bum gun. And nice looking sink. Some amenities in here. Cotton swabs, shower cap, a comb, shaving kit, and 2 toothbrushes. Okay, nice towels, very nice towels, brand new towels. A little hook to hold them. And it's got I'm about as tall as this, but I do fit under it without ducking, so that's good. And some shower gel and shampoo. So pretty nice. I'm not regretting booking it for a month, because I could have booked it for a couple nights just to make sure it was good, which would have probably been a smarter thing to do, just in case. There is no window in here, but it's going to be quiet, so I don't mind no windows. I like quiet, and usually the view's nothing to write home about anyway. All right, last thing, bed comfort. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice bed. Very comfortable. No regrets. All right, good morning. Let's take a look at what options we have for breakfast. Gonna have some steamed rice rolls here. I got here just as the breakfast was opening. They got a wider selection of fruit. Some veggies, some dressings. Got your coffee, juice and cereal. This is a soup with some beef you could put on it. Sticky rice and beans, stir-fried pho, bacon and sausage, some steamed veggies and stewed pork ribs with veggies. Then you got your breads. You can make some toast and croissants and some muffins. And then you can come over here. These are just, I think, various toppings that you can put on your eggs and stuff. And these are your egg selections that you can order. It's fried eggs, omelet, scrambled, or just like a hard-boiled egg. So I got a mixed vegetable omelet. So let's take a look at my spread. I got a little bit of everything. Looks good. All right, so the breakfast looks really good. And they don't have a pool, so that was an oversight of mine, them not having a pool. I would prefer to have a pool, but not having one is not the end of the world, because even when I do have a pool, I rarely swim in it. I just usually just like to have it as an option. So I would say this is a pretty good hotel. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll be here for the next month. All right, that's all I got for now. Talk to you later. Take it easy.